Okay, so I'm done for the day. I switched shifts with Curtis. He's gonna stay for a few more hours. I mean, I was on the tractor for maybe hour-ish, hour and a half. Probably got at least 4 or 5 acres, give or take. So he's gonna take second shift and keep picking away at it. We're gonna leave the machine here and hopefully we don't get rained out here and get this done in a couple days. So definitely stay tuned. There's the Ohio. There's Kentucky right over there on the other side. This is up in one of the bends that goes up to the north. All right, day number 2. We're gonna continue the 25-acre mission. Curtis has his spray rig, and I'm gonna start out in the KIOTI. You ready, man?
I'm ready. It's a hot one again.
Another hot one. Oh, there's another third field down there.
That one's about 6 acres right there, 5 acres.
And that's the last one then. There ain't going to be another one connecting?
No, there's just a little bitty acre and a half field up there that we'll mow, but it's a small, narrow one.
All right. Well, this looks a little better. I should be able to hit this in another year up with this short stuff.
Yeah.
strip on this part. I got to do this. That patch I got to slow down one gear. It's a little thicker. But man, I was able to fly through this one. There's the last strip. Keep on rolling. Turn the music up. Yeah. Fields just keep coming. After you finish one, you think, all right, here's the next one, but you can't see half of it because then it goes around the trees and it's twice as big as you thought it was. 2 more fields left. And they're thick and nasty and a little bit wet, so I'm going to have to slow down. Right now I'm flying, just cleaning up the edges, but I'm going to have to go slow on these thick fields. Wow, it's really pretty back in here. Yeah, this field is way bigger than I thought it was going to be, but we're knocking it down a little bit at a time. At least I ain't outside. I feel for Curtis, man. He's out spraying. And we're gonna try and get this whole thing done today. Totally mowed and totally sprayed, which would be a huge accomplishment in just a day and a half, give or take. Not even, I mean, yesterday, most of the day was wasted on getting the mower set up and transporting it. Nice little cove back in here. Another field of some sort over there. I can't see what it is. Nice hunting spot right here in the corner. All right, check back in. Dilemma. I got my Red Bull in there and I usually pour it into my amino acids, but I don't even want to stop the machine and it's way too bumpy to accomplish it, so I guess I'll debate it. But yeah, once you're rolling you don't even want to stop, you want to just get the thing done. But at some point I gotta stop. I gotta get some drone footage here anyways, but making a little progress. Each go around the field gets smaller, theoretically. Every so often you just got to come and wipe the screens off. Right, she started running hot and I suspected this, but here's one thing I like about Coyote. I mean, I've been watching the temperature, never gotten to red, but these are beautiful removable screens you got here. So there was little wing nuts, so you don't need any tools. And you see that? You pull these out and you clean them. Now that's going to be a little challenge, but this should clear everything up right here. You see how loaded they are with. done bush hogging. And of course there was a bunch of locust trees in here with spikes on them. But I got my bucket down pointing forward to hopefully scrape some of the spikes off. So this last field he's going to leave this is all going to be switchgrass. But he's going to leave this center pocket of natural regen in here. I mean, this has to be at least probably a 4 or 5 acre field maybe. It's a lot bigger than it looks, I'll tell you that. But the project is done. Getting out of here. Beautiful farm though, that's for sure. Absolutely beautiful. How's that for timing? Just about out of fuel. Made it right out to the road. Perfect.